scrolls are heavy with the dust of fallen stars. Old maps are bleeding at the edges of the coast, tracing jagged lines where the scarlet ink descends into the belly of a hollow midnight sea. We built our altars on the fault lines of the soul, waiting for the thunder to validate the bone. The prophecy is written in the silence of the corn, while the clocks dissolve against the kitchen wall. The fever climbs the ladder of the city lights. The sky is turning gray like an abandoned gaze. We stare at the horizon for a sign of holy fire, to burn away the rot of every wasted day. The world is ending in 1,000 different ways, in the shadow of a mountain and the cradle of a plague. We pull the heavy curtains on a history of grief, clinging to the wreckage of a desperate belief. The red tips of the charts point to where the water ends, and every prayer we fashion is a ghost that never met. Sudden tremor shakes the iron in the ground. The ancestors are shivering beneath the frozen clay. They saw the dragon waking in the belly of the storm. They knew the price of arrogance was written in the rain. Now the sirens are the only hymns we have to sing, as the ocean rises up to kiss the burning ledge. We trade our heavy gold for a moment in the sun, before the final chapter leaves the table bare. The world is ending in 1,000 distant ways, in the shadow of a mountain and the cradle of a plague. We pull the heavy curtains on the history of grief, clinging to the wreckage of a desperate belief. The red tips of the charts point to where the water ends, and every prayer we fashion there's a ghost that never met. In 1,000 different ways, in the shadow of a mountain and the cradle of a plague. We pull those heavy curtains on the history of grief, clinging to the wreckage of a desperate beat. The red tips of the charts point to where the water ends, and every prayer we fashion there's a ghost that never mends.